What if everyone was rich? Like, actually rich. Luxury cars, massive homes, zero debt, private jets for everyone. No more worrying about bills, rent, or food. Sounds like the perfect world, right? But here's the twist. If everyone is rich, being rich stops meaning anything. Let me explain it like this. Imagine school. Everyone takes the same test. Some people get A's, some B's, and some fail. But suddenly, the school decides to give every student an A+, no matter what. At first, it feels amazing. No more failing, no more pressure. But then, colleges look at all these perfect scores and think, how do we tell who's actually good at this? The grade lost its meaning, because when everyone has it, it's no longer special. Money works the same way. If everyone suddenly had $10 million, things wouldn't stay cheap. Why? Because now the barista, the landlord, the car dealer, they all know you can pay more. So they raise their prices. A cup of coffee that used to cost $3, now it's $300. A car, starting at $3 million. It is the same money, but now it buys a lot less. That's inflation. More money in everyone's pockets doesn't equal more wealth. It just makes things more expensive. And it's not just about prices. If everyone's rich, so who does the work? Who cooks the food? Delivers the packages? Fixes the plumbing? If nobody needs to work, then nothing functions. The world runs because people have different roles, not because everyone is equal in income. The real question is not, what if everyone was rich? It should be, why is comfort and dignity treated like luxury in the first place? Most people don't want to be billionaires. They just want to be okay. A safe place to live, enough to eat, time with family, peace of mind. So maybe the goal shouldn't be to make everyone rich, but to make sure no one's drowning just trying to survive.